Welcome back to another episode of Pro VM, where I get challenged by a local amateur, and if they win, they get a brand new bowling ball or a lesson from me. Our newest challenger is Alex. He's gonna say a couple words about himself or whatever he wants to say.
What's up, guys?
All right, I'm gonna be bowling off the wrong foot. I was watching him warm up, and he throws it pretty good, so I might get slaughtered. He also said if I am getting absolutely wrecked, I could go back to throwing it normal. We'll see how that goes.
Oh, Lord.
No. All right, good break. I'm gonna do my normal thing, stay in the left gutter and throw it to the right.
That's good. This shot.
They always told me you have a better chance of striking if you post your shots. That's pretty close. All right, first video of the day. Really gotta lock in. My butt's kind of sore. It's already kicking my ass. Funny enough, today's leg day. I didn't go to the gym yet. Oh yeah.
Another good one.
It's prime. Right now, especially, I feel like I'm throwing it better every other way except for my normal.
Should have just picked normal.
Everything just feels so good. Two-handed, off the wrong foot, two-handed, actually the two-handed lefty. It's just not there yet.
Oh, God. Look.
Just had to get that little roll to action, loosen up the swing. Nut.
Where's the button? Where's the button?
Where's the button? Nut. Just gotta do something cool.
Jesus Christ.
I think Alex chose wrong.
Yeah, I did.
I know I don't say I have favorite balls, but I think the Exponent's my favorite new release.
That is a good ball, though.
Wheel!
Seven.
IQ magic. That ball's pretty good too.
Yeah.
Has anyone ever thrown this many strikes in a row in this challenge? Oh, shim!
All right.
I need those. I know it might sound a little ridiculous, but I moved. Oh no, I'm gonna hook it. He might shut me out before I even get a chance. Is there a 300 bonus for this Pro VM stuff? A ball and a lesson, or two balls, or two lessons.
Or you could just take me out to dinner, I don't know.
Or I could just take him out on a date. I need to check with my girlfriend first to see if it's okay.
Look a lot.
Oh, did I jinx it? Ah, I jinxed it. You just gotta put it in the air sometimes and it just happens.
At least I had the baseball game to calm me down a little bit.
You play baseball?
You know how like the all-American sports, like baseball, basketball, tennis.
Okay.
Yeah.
Athlete and bowler. Bowling is about as American as it gets.
Domo said it best. It's the hardest sport in the world.
When you think, I disagree. I think golf's a little harder.
Oh yeah, no, it definitely is.
You definitely get punished way more for your bad shots in golf. I mean, if you guys watch the League Night series, the amount of times I go, oh God, oh shit, that's terrible. 10 back. That's bowling, especially bowling league. I think I've aced more shots today off the wrong foot than I did when I bowled 300 in league, my first game back. A little left. A fortuitous break. Who's your favorite baseball team?
I'm a Mets fan.
Mets fan.
I'm originally
Basketball?
from Jersey.
Okay.
Celtics.
Celtics. Okay, that all makes sense. I'm a Spurs fan. I'm from San Francisco.
That's damn.
Yeah. Oh no! I missed it.
All right, I missed it. That doesn't matter.
Nothing controversial. Would I have given it to him? We'd have to let the peanut gallery decide. Hook! Gross! All right, back on it. You punch out, I miss one time, and it's close game. I'm really gassing this ball up right now because I feel like this one doesn't roll as good as it can. A little different layout, maybe the daddy. I think I like it.
I got a chance.
Time for a ball change. Clone spare ball. Oh, oh!
Oof.
I wasn't worried. You were worried. This is pivotal. Just gotta go. All right. Needed more dip on that shot. No ball change.
All right.
Throw it better.
Down to the wire.
That wasn't better. It sounded like it struck. Oh, that's embarrassing.
Oh, nice.
Play! Oh, woo! Lanes are getting a little ripped up.
Yep. I might miss this. Oh, okay, I didn't miss it.
All right. Wait, what do you average in the league?
Before I moved here, I was around 220, low 220s, and then came here, I'm around like
240?
212.
Oh. What? Where do you bowl?
Orleans.
Oh, okay. On the ball change.
Oh,
That was not the right ball change.
still might have a.
Oh, this is the hard one for me.
Nice. Nice.
No think, just throw. All right, you need a double. No, you do need a double.
I know I need
To
a
force
double.
me to at least mark. You need the maul to force me to gotta fill 19. I haven't thrown a strike in 3 frames, so I like your chances.
Will I get it? Let's see.
That's close. Oh! Ripping up the middle of the lane. Look at that, I'm a lane destroyer. Or he's a lane destroyer. One of us, or both of us are lane destroyers. Oh! Oh! You know, this doesn't bode well for the next
Get
challenge
wood,
video
kids.
today.
Go for wood. Always go for
All right,
wood.
man. I think that was the right play. I think you had to send it there. Try the spare ball.
Shot.
All right, every single shot I struck, I try to keep my hand behind it.
That's money.
You gotta roll it more, kids. You roll it more, you strike more.
Yeah.
I hope you guys are satisfied with these challenges because our opponents have been much better. No offense to our past challengers, but these guys are striking on a different level. Thank you, Alex, for coming onto the channel. I definitely think we'll have him back on the channel again for another challenge.
Definitely.
Appreciate it. You got any social medias you want to shout out?
You'll probably see me around here in Vegas if you're ever out here. But
Yeah. If you ever
That's
see him in
about it.
Vegas, say what's up.
Yep.
There's a golf channel that I don't remember what it's called, but he hits a bad shot. He goes, mother, like, comment, subscribe.